Hi there! Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Once again, I have something new that arrived in my mailbox to share with you all. Arrtx sent over their 3ml acrylic marker set with 48 saturated colors. The packaging is super sturdy, and there are these little nooks at the bottom of the box for each marker to sit in their individual slots, so the markers aren't just not swimming around in there. I really like this detail because it makes me want to keep the box together with the markers for a little bit longer. Otherwise, I probably would have replaced it with a better looking clear container. And each marker has a label on the cap tip, making it easy to grab the color you need when looking from above. So to set up these markers, you gotta shake them really well to make sure that the paint is fully mixed well together, and then to activate it, you press down on the paper, very much like the Posca markers. I always take the time to swatch all of the colors in my sketchbook. This really helps me set up the markers and also form my initial impression. I think from these swatches, you can really see the depth and richness of these colors. They are gorgeous. These shades are just so vibrant and full of life. They're truly opaque. And unlike the previous markers I've tried from Arrtx, where some of them are more transparent compared to others, and the transparent ones I actually thought were great because you can use them for layering. These markers are not really like that. The paint is really thick. I'm happy that in this set there's actually a range of skin tones as well, which is great for portrait studies. I love drawing portraits, whether it's doing a character study or just a quick sketch. Having skin tones is just so helpful. And during swatching, one thing I did notice is that the heart tip can be a bit rough on the sketchbook paper. Also because the paint is so much thicker, it does tend to puddle and needs more time to dry. But after the paint fully dries, the finish is really pretty. So one of the benefits that it is so opaque is that it doesn't streak, right? If you compare this set with the previous sets, the previous acrylic marker sets I've tried from Arrtx, some of them will have this streaky effect because either the paint is not mixed super well, in which case maybe you can fix it by just shaking it a little bit more. But some of the more transparent ones will definitely have a streaky finish, right? But not these markers because they are fully opaque. All of the colors appear to be one shade, as you can see in these swatches. This characteristic of these markers would make for great illustration work. So I actually started with a portrait in the same sketchbook I used for swatching, but for some reason I lost the initial footage of that painting process. My observations are relatively similar to my experience swatching in the same sketchbook earlier. Even though the ink puddles a little bit on top of the paper, it dries to a really vibrant finish. There are some areas where I have overworked, like painted over and over in the same region, which caused the paper to pill a little bit, as you can see in some areas in my sketchbook drawing. But I would say overall, I found the coverage to be really fantastic. I do think you need a bit of patience for drying. Also, because the tip is quite large, I did need to grab a thinner brush tip marker for some details in my drawing. And because the paint is so thick, the drawing gives that illustration vibe. And there's very little blending because all the colors are opaque and will definitely layer on top of one another, covering up the previous paint. If you want an intermediate shade, you can probably grab a brush and mix them together beforehand, or just before they're fully dried on paper. But I didn't go for something like that. I thought I would just go with the medium as is to explore its full potential. I also wanted to try these markers on a different surface, so I prepped a canvas with some gesso and had a peachy acrylic underpaint. I would say these markers performed better on canvas compared to Sketchbook. It still takes some time to dry as the paint cools a little bit on top of the canvas, but the colors are just as vibrant on canvas, and I just love the way they pop against the texture background. I actually think the paint dries to a shinier finish on canvas compared to Sketchbook, which looks a bit more matte when you're using these markers on the Sketchbook. I prefer the canvas better because on Sketchbook, the marker tip can damage and rub a bit of the paper off if you're not too careful with it. But on canvas, you don't really have that problem. You can rub as hard as you can against the canvas and nothing is gonna budge. And on canvas, because of the opaqueness of these markers, you can just go over and over and over as you please. And I actually find that if you want intermediate shades, it's easier to do it or mix paint directly on canvas compared to Sketchbook. So yeah, I would definitely say that if you're a beginner and you're trying out these markers and you're wondering what is the best medium to use with these markers, I definitely would recommend using them on canvas or harder surface such as wood panels. Overall, I'm genuinely impressed by the coverage of these markers. They remind me of the Posca marker set that I have. The colors are vibrant and they're versatile enough to work on both paper and canvas. You do have to be a bit careful with Sketchbook if the paper isn't too thick or if the paper has a rough surface or has too much texture. But overall, great experience.